She watched the spirals turn in grace, each galaxy a ghost in space. Measured light and motion's art, but something more pulled every part. The stars move faster than they should, bound by an unseen greater good. The shadow holds the stars in place, an unseen hand, a soft embrace. What we can't see still leaves its scars, the dark that binds the shining stars. They said, your sums must be untrue, but her curves of motion only grew. The edges sped where light grew thin, a hidden mass was moving within. Not dust, not stone, nor cosmic flame, but mystery deep without a name. The shadow holds the stars in place, an unseen truth, a quiet grace. Through doubt and night her vision chars, the dark that binds the shining star. She found what silence wouldn't tell, a whisper deep where gravity fell. The universe she knew by heart is mostly made of what's in the dark. Now every map of what we see is drawn in ink of mystery. The light we love, the dark we trust, together turning star to dust. The shadow holds the stars in place, it shapes the void, it gives it space. She showed the world what darkness guards, the unseen truth of who we are. She taught us that the night is kind, for in its depths the answers shine.